Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y200 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Display and Brightness. Following that, click on Font and Display Size. And finally, operate this slider under font size to adjust it. You can check out Preview above. When you're done, just go back. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!